We say it is a 4.5-day training, but maybe it is more accurate to say that it's a process-oriented course that draws on extensive research from the fields of business, organizational development, psychology and learning. The 4.5-day training, including one evening, is very intense and at the same time lots of fun. We call it hard fun. You will experience and practice all 7 techniques of the LSP method. That means you will gain insights on how to use the method on an individual level, group level and system level. During the training you will receive a complete manual with insight, exercises and workshops. The results and impact of a workshop are directly tied to the quality of facilitation. Therefore, we aim with our LSP Facilitator Training program to provide the facilitator with the insights, confidence and commitments necessary to prepare and facilitate the LEGO Serious Play process in a way that gives maximum value and has lasting impact. The Facilitator Certification Program aims to train participants to experience and learn the LEGO Serious Play methodology and its standard applications called Real-Time Strategy for the Team, Real-Time Strategy for the Enterprise and Real-Time Strategy for You. Learn about and experience the theories underpinning the method. Gain the knowledge needed to effectively develop and facilitate workshops for clients, and practice designing and preparing customized applications of the LEGO Serious Play method. The Facilitator Training Program in Sofia in March 2019 will be delivered by Michel Kloosterman of Bricks in Business. Bricks in Business is a specialized Dutch training and educational institute that creates business solutions, especially on the topics of collaboration, innovation and entrepreneurship. Bricks in Business's approach uses the insights coming from the LEGO Serious Play method, the well-being management team roles, appreciative inquiry, effectuation and a facilitated approach. Bricks in Business has been actively working with the LEGO Serious Play method since 2011 and is a member of the Association of Master Trainers. Since 2016, Bricks in Business has trained over 400 facilitators in the method, delivering workshops all over Europe, including the first workshop in Sofia in March 2018 in collaboration with Learn Valley. Thank you, and we are looking forward to seeing you in March for the LEGO Serious Play Facilitator Workshop in Sofia.